My cameraman is making faces at me. Hi, Nancy from So Original. Nancy from So Original. I have a really challenging project, and I want to show you what I'm doing. I am making a beautiful wedding skirt, and it's going to be a high-low skirt. It's going to come below the knee and then touch the ground. My bride is gorgeous, very curvy. So the challenge is it's 3 layers. It's a layer of satin and 2 layers of chiffon. So what I'm having to do on my pathetic cutting table is lay it all out because I don't want to cut this 3 times. So I am laying all 3 layers out. And the way I'm doing that is I started by pinning. What I really need to do is tape this edge down, and then I started with the first layer of chiffon, and as you can see, this pin underneath, I pinned that, and then I placed the second layer of chiffon, and I'm just smoothing and pinning and smoothing and pinning. And then I made a muslin first, and I'm very glad I did for several reasons. One of which, I have all the pattern pieces instead of just half of the pattern pieces. So there's my center front. And normally I would cut this on a fold. Well, yeah, right. Folding 2 layers of chiffon and a layer of satin, that's not gonna happen. So I can do this and cut it. It would be an advantage if this were a giant ironing table, which I know a lot of quilters have, because then I could iron the fabric and the static would just make it stick beautifully. But since it is on a cutting mat, and I don't have one big cutting mat, I wish I did, I have 4, so I had to remove the metal screw clasps that piece it together because I couldn't have any lumps, and I still have lumps because my cutting table is crap. But what was I saying? So I'll be able to use a rotary cutter because it's on an Olfa cutting mat, and that will make it much easier to cut all these layers at once that are going to be slippery as you know what. I'm going to try not to use the F word too much. So I'm going to keep you posted on this project because she's going to look adorable. She's wearing a top that I'm going to have to alter and make a swingy thing, and it's going to have Dallas Cowboy sequiny things on her beautiful huge boobs, and her husband's wearing Dallas Cowboy stuff. So her name's Ricky, and she's wonderful, and so you're going to get to see her later, and that's it. So wish me luck. I have a lot of hours standing here cutting on a crappy cutting table. I wish I had a Martelli. Bye!